Hello everyone, welcome to Data Engineers Academy. In today's video, I will show you how to use Snowflake CoCo to generate SQL for streams using natural language prompt. This is the Snowflake CoCo interface. Here I will enter a prompt asking CoCo to generate a complete Snowflake script from scratch, including the database, schema, table, sample data, stream creation and example queries. Written only SQL code. Like this, I give prompt. Next, I will click on generate. Within a few seconds, CoCo analyzes the prompt and generates the complete SQL script automatically. So it's running. Now click on keep all. Okay, coming to the workspace. As you can see, the CoCo will generate code for streams. First, it will generate the database called streams demo db and schema name stream schema. Now I will run these statements. Statement executed successfully. Next, CoCo will generate for us two tables. First one is customer table. This is the source table where all the data changes will occur. And next one is customers history table, is used to store the changes captured by the stream. Now I will run the first table called source table. Table was created, and then I will create the second table called customer history. This table also created successfully. Next, after creating the two tables, the script inserts some sample customer records into the customer table. At this point, the table contains the initial data. Now I run the insert into statement. So here 5 records are inserted into the customers table. The next step is creating a standard stream called customer stream. Now I will run this. Stream customer stream successfully created. This means the stream captures the existing rows in the table as initial insert records. When we query the stream, we can see the captured records along with the metadata columns like customer ID, first name, last name, email, city, created at, metadata $action, metadata is update, and metadata $row ID, which uniquely identifies the changed row, and metadata is update, which indicates whether a row is part of an update operation, and metadata $action, which tells us whether the operation is insert, update or delete. After that, the script performs 3 different DML operations. First, it inserts 2 new customer records, then it updates alias, city and email address. Finally, it deletes Charlie's record. These changes are automatically tracked by the stream. Now, I am run the first insert into statement. Two rows are inserted, and then I will update the customer table. So here number of rows updated is 1 and number of multi-join rows updated 0. And then I want to delete one row where customer ID equals to 3. So I run this. Here number of rows deleted is 1. After we can perform all the three operations, now I am querying the select star from customer stream. As you can see here, data is updated, and also we have three columns are added. First one is metadata $action, second one is metadata is update, third one is metadata $row ID. And then I will run this select statement. After performing all the three operations, the next step is consuming the stream. Inside a transaction, the captured changes are inserted into the customer history table. Once the transaction is committed, the stream offset moves forward, meaning those changes have been consumed. If we query the stream again, it returns no rows. Now I am run this. Number of rows inserted 5. And then I am running select star from customer stream available. That means the stream object is moving forward. And then I am running the append only stream. For that I am creating the customer's append stream. So I am running this. The customer's append stream successfully created. And after creating the stream, I will insert the data into that stream. So number of rows inserted is 1. And then I will update the customer table where CT equals to $, where customer ID equals to 2. So I will run this. This is also executed successfully. I will querying this. You can see here the operation is performed insert operation, and metadata is update is false and row ID is become like this. After performing all the operations, finally the stream displays available streams using the show streams. Now I am running this. So these two are my streams. First one is customer append stream, next one is customer stream. And also CoCo, it generate the system stream has a data function to check whether the stream contains any unconsumed changes. Now I am running this. Yes, the system has inserted the data, so that's why it returns the true. So this is all the information about the stream. Thank you for watching my video.